Did you know that nearly 50 million Americans experience some form of tinnitus, yet many believe there's no hope for relief? The biggest myth out there is that tinnitus is always permanent. In reality, research shows that the brain has an incredible ability called neuroplasticity, allowing it to change and adapt even when it comes to these persistent sounds. A study published in the journal Hearing Research highlights how individuals can retrain their brains to respond differently to tinnitus signals, leading to significant relief. You are not doomed to a lifetime of ringing in your ears. Start today by incorporating mindfulness meditation into your routine. Even just 5 minutes can reduce the emotional impact of tinnitus and improve your response to it. Next, consider using sound therapy. Just 30 minutes of listening to pink noise can help your brain distinguish real sounds from phantom ones, allowing you to master tinnitus. Finally, keep a journal to track your triggers and relief methods. Understanding patterns can be game-changing. I totally get it. Knowing this stuff is one thing, but managing the noise can still feel overwhelming. Trust me, I've been there too. But after years of trying all sorts of remedies, I found this one supplement that actually made a difference for me. I was super skeptical at first, but it genuinely helped. If you're looking for real relief, head over to my homepage and check it out. I promise you won't regret it.